Give her a moment.
Goofy odd bird.
Give her a moment. She better start dust bathing.
Goofy odd bird.
You just gotta get in the right pose.
Goofy odd bird.
We're not doing anything. Just continue. No one's watching.
What?
She's picking at Mom's succulents.
Jade, get her.
Hey!
Not a care in the world. Caught red-handed.
Oh, girly pops. Just started dust bathing already. It's either that or she's either about to lay an egg or start dust bathing.
Why is she sitting like that?
Bro, that's so bad comfy.
Oh, hell no. That looks like the most uncomfortable position a human could be in. Go on, hit that pose.
Not right now.
What? Oh, yeah. Alright. Ah, bird.